everyone, welcome! Today we are drawing Tweety Bird from Looney Tunes. We start doing the head, and now the eyes. Don't forget the eyelashes. Very nice! Do you like Tweety Bird? It is one of my favorite characters. I love it! We finish the other eye. We draw the beak now. And some hair. We draw the body now. And the wing. Very nice! And now, we have to draw the feet. Big feet! If you like this video, you can subscribe and press the like button. And now we have to call out the drawing. See you on the next video. Bye!